Hey guys, today I am going to attempt to replace the rear or the backup camera on my 2012 Chrysler 300. This would also work up to, I believe, the 14. I haven't seen the 2015 backup camera, so I'm not sure, but it may be similar. As you can see here, this is my replacement camera. The problem I'm having is, if I put the car in reverse, I no longer have the guidelines on the backup camera, and it also flipped the video. So if you look closely in the video, there's a mailbox to the left on the screen, but that mailbox is actually to the right, just like the houses in the back. So the camera actually flipped the video. So I'm going to replace the camera and kind of show you quickly how that's done. Alright guys, I got the clips off here, and the backup camera again is on your light there. So I already got the clips off, so I'm just gonna pull the panel back. Okay, just pull it back, and you'll see I've already got the plugs out. Okay, and you have a couple screws here. This is a 10 millimeter, and we got a 10 millimeter back here. So we're gonna use our tool. Just gonna loosen this up. Let's get this done here. So then next, what I do is you just gotta pull out. You're gonna get a little bit of resistance, because there's a rubber seal or a seal on the metal and the light. So just gonna pull it back, because you can see the little seal right there. It's coming off. So just gonna pull the seal off, and there you got your light. And then the camera, just gonna pop the camera off right here. This use like don't know exactly what it's called, but a little diamond hex screw or star hex screw. And then just gonna pop this out, and just replace the camera. Once that's done, you just reinsert the camera back in the reverse position. This is my right here. This is the little seal that they have on there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reapply it back on the lens head. And once you get done, you just reverse everything, and your camera should be working again. There's no configuration to do. And all right guys, I got the lens back on there. And just a recap, the tools that I used. No, I forgot there's a handle right here. This also has a like a diamond shape head, or diamond hex. So I used there's two sizes. Unfortunately, well, this is a T20 here, which I used to take the screws off for the handle. And This is the one I used for the camera, and this one says it's a T10. Alright, so basically these are all the tools you need. 10mm socket, the diamond screws, and also some removal tools for the little clips. I think that's all that needs to be done. The camera seems to be working fine. Let's go check and see. Reverse mode, and yep, it's the lines are there. Well, let's close the trunk real quick. Reverse, and here we go. So it's working again. I hope this video helps. It took me about an hour to get it done. The clips were a little difficult to get off, so this might be a little project for you to do if your camera does fail, and save yourself some money. Bye guys.